Hey there, space explorers. Have you heard about the most mysterious things in space? They're called black holes. But what exactly are they? Let's find out. A black hole is like a super-duper vacuum cleaner in space. It happens when a huge star, even bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel. The star collapses and turns into a black hole. Black holes have something called gravity, and it's really strong. Anything that gets too close, like stars or even light, gets pulled in. It's like a space trap. Once something enters a black hole, it disappears. There's a special boundary called the event horizon. After that, no one really knows what happens. It's a big mystery. But wait, black holes are invisible. We can't see them, but scientists know they're there because of the way they pull things around them, like stars and light. Fun fact, black holes can be super small or super massive. Some are as small as a tiny mountain, and others are millions of times bigger than our sun. Whoa. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, there might be a black hole out there hiding in the dark. Pretty cool, right?